All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making some TVP, vegan TVP burgers. It's a really easy recipe and we'll show you how to make it. So let's start with our flax egg. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of flaxseed, ground flaxseed, and we're gonna add some water to it. And we're gonna mix that up, and then we're gonna let it sit to the side for about 5 minutes. So that way it'll thicken up. That flaxseed and liquid thicken up and have like an egg yolk consistency. All right, so now we have our TVP. We rehydrated our TVP, textured vegetable protein. We let it rehydrate for about 10 minutes in water or vegetable broth. And we're gonna put that into our food processor. And we're just gonna use a cup of TVP. And then next we're gonna use our almond flour, or you can use chickpea flour, whichever one that you like. We're gonna do 1/4 cup of that. All right, next we're gonna do our barbecue sauce. We're gonna do 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce, and you can use any kind of barbecue sauce that you like. You can do sweet or unsweet, it's just up to you. And now we're gonna go with our seasonings. We have smoked paprika. We're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of that. We're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then we'll do a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder also. And then you can use salt and pepper to taste. But remember, you can always add salt, but you can't take salt away. All right, so we added our flaxseed egg, and now let's ground everything up, process everything. And you want to process it until it forms like a sticky dough-like texture. You don't want to over-process it, but you want to process it to where the it is sticking together, it holds together. All right, so we're gonna pulse it one more time just to make sure everything is nice and blended together. All right, so now we're ready to form our patties. I just took some parchment paper, and now we're gonna put our patties together. And this recipe should make 4 patties of equal shape. And you just want to form them in a nice burger shape, all right? And as you can see, the dough or the burgers are really sticky, and that's the way you want it. It'll make it hold together a lot better. All right, so now it's time to cook. All right, you want to use grapeseed oil or avocado oil to cook the patties in. And we're going to cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until you get that nice brown look on each side. All right, now we're gonna flip on the other side. As you can see, they're already turning out pretty good. Nice and golden brown. And then we're gonna let the other side cook some more. And now these are ready to go. So this is your patty. As you can tell, it's a nice patty, nice meaty texture to it, and it holds a lot of flavor. Now you can dress your burger any way you want to. I just did it the old simple way. Ketchup and mustard on the bun, and that's it. You can add your cheese to it, your plant-based cheese, and make something like a smash burger with it. All right, there's so many things that you can do with it to dress your burger, but that's it. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe.